My name is Jason Chandra Patil. Today is the 2nd November 2022. Today we will learn about the inheritance in Java. Let's talk about what you mean by inheritance. Inheritance in Java is a mechanism in which one object acquires all the properties and behavior of parent object. Inheritance it is the most important part of OOPS, that is the object-oriented programming system. The idea behind inheritance in Java, in which we create a new class. That is built upon the existing class. Then when we use inherits from existing class, we can reuse the method and fill of the parent class. Inheritance represent the is a relationship that is also known as the parent-child relationship. Let's talk about the why we use inheritance. There are mainly two reasons behind that. That is the first is the for the method overriding, and then second is for the code reusability. That is the two main reasons behind that. Let's talk about the terms used in inheritance. There are mainly 4 terms used in inheritance. That is the class, subclass, then superclass, and then next is the reusability. Let's talk about the first is class. Class is the group of object. That is it is a template or blueprint which object are created. Then next is the subclass, or it is also known as the child class. The subclass is the class which inherits the other class. That is known as the subclass. Then it is also called as the child class or extended class. Then next is the superclass or parent class. Superclass is the class from where a subclass inherits the features. It is also known as the basic class or parent class. Then next is the reusability. In the reusability, there is a basic in which existing class we can reuse the field and method of the parent class. Then let's talk about the types of inheritance. On the basis of class, there are basically 3 types of inheritance. That is the single inheritance. Then next is the multi-level inheritance. Then the hierarchical inheritance. There are basically 3 types of inheritance. A Java programming in which multiple and hybrid inheritance is through the interface only. That is through interface only. Multiple and hybrid. Let's talk about the single inheritance. The single inheritance, it is when a class inherits another class. That is known as the single inheritance. Then next talk about the multi-level inheritance. In multi-level inheritance, there is a chain of multiple inheritance. It is known as the multi-level inheritance. Then next is the hierarchical inheritance. In hierarchical inheritance, there is when two or more classes inherits the single class. It is known as the hierarchical inheritance. That is the overall of the inheritance. Thank you.